Let's look first at uploading a data set. I have a data set that we can use from a real customer that's a women's clothing store. It's 100 records of their best customers, and they let us use it. So I'll just go ahead and upload that for our demo purposes. We would just choose a file. I'm going to go ahead and get that 100 record file that we can use. Here that is. The dress company is called Citron Clothes. I'm going to upload that data set. I've just uploaded a CSV file within one column, first name, last name, address, and zip code. And our system is going to look to match that up. It looks like our system did properly pick the column name. If it didn't, you could pick a different one. Or you could even ignore that field if you want to look somebody up and ignore their first name. That's the same with the last name. You can ignore that field as well. So you can look them up just by their address. But if you leave first name and last name, we're going to get an exact match to all of that. Here's the baseline. I'm going to run this analysis against the whole US. So we're going to get to know what these customers look like compared to everyone in the whole US. But you can do that in different ways. You can pick as a baseline, I just picked this one, local neighbors, 0.5 M. So this baseline would be anybody who's living within half a mile of all the people I just uploaded. So your baseline can be that selective. You can also do it by local area. Here's Tampa, Florida. You can do it by ethnicity. You can do it by age. Here's golden years. And then you can also create custom baselines if you want to. I'm going to run this against everybody in the US. This marketing insights goal is optional, but if you know that you're trying to create a certain kind of campaign, you can put that in here. Let's just say we're trying to sell high-end women's apparel, high-end women's apparel. We can put that in as a marketing goal. And one of the reports uses generative AI, and it's going to take your hint that you gave it here, and it's going to customize the recommendations it gives you when you write that in there. This is all you have to do to set everything up, and now everything's ready to go, and all the analysis is going to happen. I'm going to hit continue, and this data set is being opened up. It's being compared to all the data that we have on US people. We're grabbing all 360 variables for all these people, and we're creating the math model. We're doing all the algorithm building, all the modeling, and that all gets done in the background. Once we have that model, and it'll take maybe 30 seconds to a minute. Once we have the model, then we can do the scoring. I'm going to go into our managed data sets now, where you would find that. And here's the file we just uploaded. These are the people that we uploaded, and we're just getting a look at that in there. The next thing is we built a model, and we can score everybody now that we built a model. So this Vicky Colleen here has a psychographic score from 0 to 1 of 0.9. That means that she has 90% of the important variables it takes to be in this list. Her demographic score from 0 to 1 is almost 70%, and then the overall score combines those. So you can sort these from top to bottom. These are your most aligned customers you just uploaded. If I sort to the bottom, these are the least aligned people. They are customers, they did buy, but they don't have the variables that your other best customers have. So that's the way to think about that with this scoring. And then finally, in this first of the 3 major steps, if you want all of the data we have, all the 360 data elements on each person, we'll give you that. We want you to have as much data as you can possibly have, and you could just take that right there. So this is the first of 3 major steps.